And number 14, lesson 1, unit 11. Look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Letter A. Vera plotted point on the coordinate plane 6 units to the right of the original point. Okay, first, in this coordinate, we will move to right hand side by 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then 2 units up. 1, 2, 1, 2 up here. This is the coordinate here about this point will be 6 and 2, because the order of any point x and y. Move to right hand side 6 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and going up 2 units, 1 and 2. Okay, then the order of the point will be 6 and 2. Choose letter C. Question letter B. 10% of space kilogram equal 12 kilogram. Okay, we want to find the whole number. Draw this triangle here. Down. Right here is the whole number, the total number, and right here is the percent, and here the part. In this example, we want to find the whole number, and he give us the percent was 10%, and the part was 12. To find the whole number, you must divide it 12 by 10%. Then the whole number will be 12 divided by 10%. And then we can write 12 divided by 10%. It means divided by 10 over 100. It will be 12 product by the inverse about 10 over 100 will be 100 over 10. Cancel 0 by 0, then the result will be 120. Okay, then the total number will be what? 120. Choose letter C about question letter B. Next example, question letter C. Letter C. Martin plotted the point 4 and 7 on the coordinate plate. Which through the point? He gave us this information 4 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 4 and 7. Here. This point 4 and 7. Okay. What about 4 and 7? Letter A, the point located 4 units on the right on x-axis? No. Letter B, the point located 7 units up from x-axis? No. Question letter C, the point located 4 units below the axis? Here? No. Question letter D, the point located 7 units to the right? No. Which of the result true? We have 4 and 7 going to right hand side 4 units and up 7. Again, letter A, the points 4 units to right hand side in the x-axis. Letter B, the point located 7 units up from x-axis. 7 up. Okay, 7 up. And we have 4 and 7. 4, it's meaning located 4 units to the right of x-axis. Okay, what about the point through? Letter A again. We have the point 4 units to the right of x-axis. It's false because we're going right by y-axis. We have here y and here x-axis and y-axis. This point move right hand side from y-axis by 4 units. Then letter A is false. Letter B, the point located 4 units to the right of x-axis is false. Okay, letter B, the point 7 here located up from the x-axis 7. Then letter B true. Okay, then you must choose letter B because the point 4 and 7, the point 7 units up from x-axis. 7 units up from x-axis. Okay, Next question. The simplest form 12 to 24 divided by 12, two numbers, then the result will be 1 and 2 because 12 half of 24. It will be 1 and 2. Which of the following points lies on x-axis? Lies on x-axis, it's meaning what? It's meaning y will be equal 0. Any point lies in x-axis, it's meaning the first coordinate equals 0. Y equals 0. We have x and y. This point, such that lies in what he give us information, tell me the point lies on x-axis, it's meaning y will be 0. Then the point will be x and 0, such that 3 and 0, 4 and 0, and so on. So you must choose 5 and 0. Choose letter E about question letter E. Understood? Any point lies in or lies on the x-axis. Any point lies in x-axis, it's meaning y, the value of y equals 0. And any point lies in y-axis, it's meaning x equals 0. So you must choose letter A about this example. Okay. Next question, letter F. 6 kilometer per hour. 6 kilometer per 1 hour equal space meter 2 minutes. You must convert this example. We have 6 kilometer per 1 hour. We want to convert it to meter per minute. Meter per minute. Okay, we have to convert here. First convert, I will convert from kilometer to meter. You must cancel kilometer, write kilometer down, okay, to cancel this, and write meter up. And we know 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. And then we cancel hour and write minute. Okay, and here write hour. We know 1 hour equal what? 60 minutes. And then you can cancel 1 hour by 1 hour and cancel kilometer by kilometer. Then the remainder 6 times 1 equals 6. 1 times 1 times 60 equals 60. Then the result 6 over 60 meter per minute. Cancel here by divided by 6 numerator and numerator. The result will be 1 over 10. 1 meter per minute per 10 minutes. Then we can write 1 over 10 meter per minute. Okay, 1 over 10 meter per minute. Then the result will be 1 over 10. Choose letter B about question letter F. Okay. Again, it was 1000. Sorry, we have here 3 zeros, right? Sorry. 1000 over 10, it will be 100. Okay, again, 6 times 1000, it will be 6000. Okay, my students. Again, the result will be what? 6 times 1000, 6000. And 60 times 1 times 1 equals 60. Cancel 0 by 0 is 600 divided by 6. It will be 100. Then the result will be 100 meter per minute. Understood? We must pay attention about any steps in this example. Question number 2. Complete the following. In the point 5 and 2, the y coordinate is what? He asked about y coordinate. The y coordinate here, it will be 2. Because any point contains of x and y. X is the first coordinate and y is the second here, second coordinate. Then y coordinate here, it will be 2. Result here will be 2. Question letter B. From the opposite double line number line here, you want to find the value of x. Okay, we have x equal to x over 2 equal to x over 4. You want to find what here? The value of x. Okay, and we can write here 3x equal here 6 and 12 over 8. Then we can find the value of x here. It will be 1. 1 over 2. 1 times 2 equal 2, 2 over 4, 3 over 6. Then 1 over 2 equal 2 over 4 equal 3 over 6 equal 12 over 8. Then the value of x here, it will be 1. Okay, he won't find what? in the number line here, from the opposite double number line, you want to find the value of x. We can find the value of x here, x equal 2, and or you can find the product between extremes equals the product of means. About this example, the product of extremes equal the product of means. Okay, but we have 12 here, not half of 8, so we can't choose this result. Again, thinking with me about this example. First step, to solve the example, we have the ratio between 12 and 8. Write 12 and 8 in the simplest form. We have here 6, 4, 2, and 0. Again, thinking with me. 12 and 8, the ratio between 12 and 8, we can write here 12 to 8. The ratio between 12 and 8. You can sample this ratio by divided by 4. Then 12 divided by 4 equal 3, and 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Then the result here 3 over 2. Okay, he give us here x and 2x and 3x. Then the value of x, it will be equal 3. Again, we have the ratio between 12 and 8. Don't write here 1 over 2, 2 over 4. No, don't do that, because 12, it's not a double of 8 or not half of 8. If this number was 4, then you can write here 1. Okay, but in this example, we have the ratio between 12 and 8, the ratio between them 3 and 2. Then this number 2 in the second number line, the opposite of it, it will be 3. Then the value of x here, it will be what? It will be 3, not write 1. Okay, again, last explain. Okay, first we have here 2 and x, 0 and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 and 12. The ratio between 12 and 8 equal what? We can divide it by 4, the height common factor between two numbers. 12 divided by 4 equal what? Equal 3. And this number 8 divided by 4 equal what? Equal 2. Then the value of x here, it will be 3, because the ratio between 12 and 8 will be what? 3 and 2. Then the value of x here equal 3. 3, 2, this number 2. Okay, don't write 1. Okay, understood? Next example, the reciprocal of 1 over 4, it will be 4. Write the inverse about this number. Reciprocal about 1 over 4, it will be 4. Then question letter C. Reciprocal about this number, it will be 4. Question letter D. If point S 2 and 6 and point Q 5 and 9, the point space is closer to x-axis. Which of the point S or Q is closer to x-axis? We have first point 2 and 6, and second point was 5 and 9. He won't find which of them the nearest to x-axis. This point was Q, and this point was S, and here Q. Okay, in the coordinate, he won't find which of the point nearest to what? X-axis. It's x and y, and this here first coordinate x and y. 5, it's far about x-axis, but this point, it will be nearest to x-axis. 2 and 6 where? 2 and 6 here, it's a point. But 5 and 9, 5 here and 9 here. We have 6 units. The distance between 2 and 6 and x-axis, it will be absolute value of what? Of y. Absolute value of 6, it will be 6. And the distance between the point 5 and 9, 5 and 9 were up. 5 and 9 placed in the first quadrant here, such that here 5 and 9, it's the point 5 and 9. The distance here, it will be 9. Absolute value of y, it will be 9. Then the distance between the point 5 and 9 and x-axis, it will be 9 units. And the distance between the point 2 and 6 to x-axis, we have 6 units. Okay, then to comparing between 2 points without drawing the graphical, look at y-axis. If you want to find the distance between any point and x-axis, we must find the absolute value of the second coordinate y. Okay, any point contains of x and y. He gave us first point was s. First point s was 2 and 6. We want to find the distance between this point and x-axis. You must write the absolute value of y. It will be 6. And we want to find the distance between second point q was 5 and 9. Who can tell me the distance from this point to x-axis? You can write the absolute value of y-axis here. Absolute value of 9, it will be 9. 6 less than 9, this point will be nearest to x-axis from this point. Then the result will be C. Write C. S. Write S. Okay. Choose this point S. Question letter E. The point 5 and 8 located space units from y-axis. You can write the absolute value of x. Okay. Question letter E. He want to find the distance between point and y-axis. To find the point or the distance between any point and y-axis, you must write the absolute value of x. He gave us the point was 5 and 8. Then first coordinate was x and second coordinate was y. Then the absolute value of x will be absolute value of 5. The result will be what? The result will be 5. Understood? Again, he gave us the point 5 and 8 and he won't find the distance between this point and y-axis. The point 5 and 8 is located space units. It's meaning what is the distance between this point and y-axis? We can write the absolute value of what? Of x. Okay, to find the distance between any point and y-axis, you can find the absolute value of x. And if you want to find the distance between any point and x-axis, you can find the absolute value of y. You must change to unknown. Okay, then the result will be what? 5. Question number 3. Locate these points here. In the coordinate plane. Okay, we have coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, first point 3 and 7. Going from 3 to 7. 3 here. Start from 0. Going right hand side 3 and up 7. It was point E. Point B 6 and 0. 6 and 0 here in this number line. Okay. This point we called it what? 6 and 0. Here point P. Point C is 3 units to left of the point P and 4 units up. Okay, we have point here P, and then he asked about 3 units left to the point P. 1, 2, 3 here, going here and up here what? And up 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. It's the point C. Okay, we have first point E 3 and 7, and point B was 6 and 0, and he tell us move to left hand side from this point to 3 units. 1, 2, 3, and then going 4 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the point C here, it will be 3 and 4. Okay, you want anything? No, it's exactly the result. Next question, letter B. The price of a mobile phone before discount is 3,000 pounds. If the discount 10%, what is the price after discount? First, we can find what discount. First, we can find discount. Discount here 10%. It's meaning what? 10 over 100. 10% of what? Of the total. The total cost was 3,000. Then the discount would be 10 over 100 product by 3,000. You can cancel double zero by double zero, then the discount it will be 300 Egyptian lira or 300 pounds. It's discount. And then he won't find the price after discount, right? The price after discount. You can cancel 300 from 3,000. 3,000 subtracted by 300. Write double zero and it will be 10 and 2. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 102. The result will be 2,700 pounds. Okay, it's the price after discount.